If 2s is equal to a plus b plus c, show that s minus a into s minus b plus s into s minus c is equal to ab. Solution. First we will write what is given. 2s is equal to a plus b plus c. From this we can write s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. s minus a into s minus b plus s into s minus c. We can substitute the value of s here. So this will be a plus b plus c by 2, a plus b plus c by 2 minus a into a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c by 2 minus b plus a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c by 2 into a plus b plus c by 2 minus c. Now we will simplify this. So this will be a plus b plus c minus 2a by 2, and this will be a plus b plus c minus 2b by 2, then plus this will be a plus b plus c by 2 into a plus b plus c minus 2c by 2. Now from both we can take 1 by 4 common. So this will be 1 by 4. 2 into 2 is 1 by 2 into 2 is 4. So we can take 1 by 4 common from here and 1 by 4 common from here. This will be a minus 2a will be minus a, then plus b plus c. This will be a minus b, b minus 2b will be minus b, then plus c, then plus this will be square bracket, then this will be a plus b plus c, and this will be a plus b, this will be c minus 2c will be minus c, square bracket completed. Now 1 by 4 this will be minus a into a. So this will be minus a square, then minus a into minus b. This will be plus ab. Minus a into plus c will be minus ac. Then b into a will be plus ba or ab. B into minus b will be minus b square. B into c will be plus bc. Then c into a will be plus ac. C into minus b will be minus bc. Then c into c will be plus c square. Now here this is plus, so plus this will be a into a will be a square, a into b will be plus ab, a into minus c will be minus ac, then b into a will be plus ab, b into b plus b square, then b into minus c will be minus bc, then plus c into a plus ac, then c into b plus bc, then c into minus c square. Square bracket completed. Now what we can eliminate from here? This a square minus a square will be cancelled with this a square. This minus ac will be cancelled with this ac. This minus b square will be cancelled with this b square. This plus bc will be cancelled with this minus bc. This minus bc will be cancelled with this plus bc. This c square will be cancelled with this minus c square. This minus ac will be cancelled with this ac. Now what is remained? 1 by 4 into AB plus AB plus AB and plus AB. So total 4AB. This 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. So what's remain? AB. What we have to show? Show that S minus A, S minus B plus S into S minus C is equal to AB. So it is equal to AB. Hence proved.